completing the task becomes easier than not completing the task. If you do not complete the task, of course, everything becomes difficult and you are unable to succeed in your life. And if you want to succeed in your life, there are 4 Ds. Through them, you can be successful. And what are the 4 Ds? Let me tell you. First, your dedication. Second, your decision. Third, your discipline. And fourth, it is determination. So we should start with the D, dedication. What is dedication? It is a kind of purpose. You should be dedicated towards your task. If you do not understand what is your why, and you do not find the purpose to complete the task, to complete the job, you are unable to begin. And most of the times when people join me, I tell them what is the reason of joining the institute. I ask them why you people want to join, because their why should be cleared. Second, decision. Decision, it means you should have quality to get the job done, get the task done. If you don't have the quality to get the task done, it means you are missing. After being dedicated, you should have knowledge how to go through the decisions. And when your decision is good, so you should be disciplined. Discipline, it means whatever it takes I am to get the task done. It means I will get the task done at any cost. I will not give up. And if you reach discipline, 30, then your determination comes. It means you will not leave the task unless the task is done. So dedication teaches you, tells you, leads you to your purpose. What is your purpose? It leads you to. It defines everything properly. Decision, of course, you are just this much good enough to take the decision and you become decisive. How to make some qualities, how to get the task done, through that decision you understand. So you need to understand what is decision in your life and how you decide to get the task done. Third, your discipline nature. The moment you become disciplined and you have the discipline, being disciplined quality, believe in me, you will start getting lots of tasks done. Whatever it takes, you will never give up. Whatever it takes to get the task done, you will always say yes. You will gear yourself up. And fourth, that is determination. And this situation comes when you complete your 3 Ds. Determination, you will not leave unless the task is done. It happens when some people starts from survival to the service. So these 4 Ds approach in their lives. And when they do not understand these 4 Ds, so they get stuck and they give up. Thank you guys for listening to me. My name is Jitendra Ganghwani. I have been an entrepreneur, a trainer. I have been training the people since 2000. It would be my privilege if I get the chance to train you all people. Thank you. Have a nice time ahead.